Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the studio. Faldi, let's come and share this video because it is amazing. Bro, today I have something special. Look at that. Ooh, what is this? Phone tripod stand. Whoa, for selfie and more. So this is crazy. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this, my friend? Yeah. And today I'm ready to test this for the first time ever on your studio for the channel. Wow, this is crazy. Let's come and share. Bro, this is not a joke. I want to test best thing for the first time ever on your studio for this tree. Wow. Let's start by the unboxing. You can see this information in this box. Can you see this? Wow, this is what you need to know about this. Damn. Okay, as you can see, this is how to use this and what you can do with this. Ooh, I think that is really useful. Now, I want to start the unboxing. Oh, look at the box, look at the side. I have this box. You can see selfie ring light. Okay. Can you see this? Wow, this is just crazy. I want to test this. Okay, what's inside this box again? I have. Ooh, look at this mic. I have mic. This is definitely crazy. Unexpected edition. Wow. Can you see this? A mic. Wow. I want to test this. No. I have. Okay. I have something else again. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Unboxing. Damn. Wow. It looks very new. Very new. Okay. I don't know how to use this, but okay. Get ready. Look at that. Damn! Can you do this? Wow, this is cool. I feel that you can put your phone here and oh, look at that. Look at the movement. Can you see this? Oh, yeah. Okay, crazy. Okay, after this, you have something like that. I think that you can put this here and then and do the same thing here and then again, and you have what? Look at that. Wow, this is very cool. You can put on the table just like that. Can you use this? Oh, put on the table. Okay, and you have this. Anyways, I think what you can press here. Ooh, and change its position. What? Oh, okay. You can change its position. Just press both of them. Okay. And good. Look at this thing. Wow. Good job. Okay, cool. Now I want to use this. Put this like that, or just put this here. Look, I have another button here, and put this here. Then hold this one. Then. And now, well done. Nice. You can turn this like that, or if you want to turn, I think that you need to move this and turn. Okay, and do the same action like you want. Let's test this position. Can you see this? Nice. Now I need a phone. I need a phone. Boom! I have a phone. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Ooh, can you see this? Beautiful phone. Okay, no problem. Now I want to put this phone inside. Okay. Those put this phone just here. Just like that. I think that is a good position. Now you have your phone like that. Nice. Now you can put your phone into the table, just like that. You can also press here to change his position, or do the same thing again to change his position like that. Wow, I think that is very useful. It will be very useful. Oh, it will be very useful in my opinion. Yes. Okay, you have a phone like that. Beautiful. You can unlock it. Go on camera. Samsung camera. Can you see this? Turn. Now you have your phone like that into this table. Okay, you can record your video just like that. For example, I want to record videos from here for gaming videos. Get ready, and you can go back to photo, take a photo, and after this, what can you do? I think that if you want to turn, you can remove a little bit of this thing, just like that, to change each position, or position what you want, you like, and do this, put this into this table. If you want to change its position, you can change this position like that again, and okay, let me change again this position to a good size, but a good position. Is it cool? Can you see this? As you can see, it's not a joke. It will work. It will work definitely. Can you see this? Bro, it will work. It worked definitely, bro. It will work. Can you imagine? Do you believe this? This will work. Wow, this is amazing. You see, phone tripod stand. Wow, bro, it's very useful. But the good news here is that you can do more than that. You can do more than that with what? With this. Can you see this? You can see selfie ring light. Okay. Now I have this. Unboxing. Nice. I have a cable because you need to charge this thing. Yes. Connect this USB cable here to charge it. Wow. This is a light. Now you can see LED. When you click here, you have this. Wow, there are three level of light. Level number 1, can you see this? And level number 2, can you see this? And level number 3, can you look at very well here? And the screen. And wow, bye. Level number 1, number 2, number 3. Wow, it's very powerful. It's very powerful. This is not a joke, honestly. But when you press this button. Now that 1, 2, 3. Look at what you have. You can dance. Oh, let me dance. Oh, let me dance. You can dance. No, let me dance. Oh, let me dance. You can dance. Oh, let me dance. Oh, let me. You can put it here. Oh, let me dance. Go, go, go. Oh, let me dance. Oh, let me dance. You can dance. Oh, let me dance. Can you see me? Can you see me? Yeah. Oh, let me dance. Can you see this, bro? This is crazy. Oh, let me dance again. Oh, let me dance again. Wow, this is just crazy. This is definitely amazing. You can put this thing here, for example, just like that, and press the power button 1 time, for example, and you can start recording your videos like a baby, like a baby. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Damn! Wow, there's something special also. You can just close this thing and use this like a selfie. Can you see this? Like a selfie, selfie mode or something. You need just to change the position of this for better position. Just you can put this here or change its position. Wow, and you have selfie. Can you see this? You can take photo. Hello, let me take a photo. Let me take a picture. Now, I took so many, two or more pictures. Let me turn off this thing. Here, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's see the photo. Amazing, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think? Look at the light. Can you see light? Wow. When light is turned off, you will see the difference. Let me turn off this light. Let me turn off the light. Wait a minute. No light. Let me show you no light. Can you see this? No light anymore. So, right now, put this here. Turn on this. Go back. Oh, I want to go to photo. Wait a minute. Now I'm back to photo. After this, let me take a selfie by myself. Okay, now I took selfie. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Turn off. Okay, turn off. Now, let's see the photo what I took. Oh, look at that, bro. Wow. This is life changing. This is definitely life changing. Look at that. Look at that. I'm shocked. I'm definitely shocked. Damn. Wow. Damn. Okay, now tell me what you think about this, bro. Because I'm very shocked by what I see. This is unexpected edition. Unexpected video. Damn. Wow. You can change this. You can change its position. Okay. How to remove it. You can even put this here. Can you see this? Put this like that. Put this like that. You can change this position like you want. and do what you want to do. Oh, okay, cool. No, nice. Look at, you can hold this like that. This is just crazy. Really, really crazy. What do you think? Then you can just hold your phone like that. Just put your phone here again. Really look at very well buttons. The button can touch this, so I can increase size just like that. Nice. Now you have your phone in your hand for selfie, video, everything. You can record video, do what you want. Hello, good. Like, comment, share this video, bro, because you are so beautiful. No, look at that. Ay, ay, ay. You see this? Wow, you can see inside. Nice. Can you see this? Great. Wow. I don't know if it's durable. Maybe sometimes it's fall. I don't know, but this is what you have. I have a button here. I don't know what to do with this button yet. Honestly, I don't know what to do with this button, but you have this button to do what? I don't know what to do with this, but okay, tell me what you think about this. What can I do with this? I don't know, but you have this. It looks very, very strong, but I have bought 2 of them, just 2, to make sure that it also work every day. Now, put this in the table, just like that. Turn its position, or something like that, and and enjoy your new life, bro. This is crazy. One of the craziest things of my day right now. Wow, I always looking for this, and now it's here. Very crazy. This is very, very crazy. Yes, let's go with that, bro, because this is very, very, very crazy. Excited. I'm so excited, bro. I'm excited. Okay, thank you for watching, bro, because this is what? This is what below. Damn. Yes, you can stop the video, stop recording, and damn, look at that. And this is what I'm talking about. And yes, that's funny. Yes. Okay. Bro, let's comment, share this video because it's very cool. Thank you for watching.